and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I am your paleontology teacher, Jen, and it's Fossil Friday. We're going to talk about Argentinosaurus huinculensis. And this is a big dinosaur. Argentinosaurus is a titanosaur from late Cretaceous Argentina. Shocker. The animal is very fragmentary, with only 14 known elements, of which only 2 are complete. So, how do we know it's the heaviest land animal to ever walk the earth? Well, we don't actually. We need more pieces of the puzzle before we can accurately answer that question. We can, at the very least, put it in a clade, though. In a paper describing the holotype of Argentinosaurus, we can see the characters it possesses that place it within Titanosauria. Quote, Argentinosaurus is identified basically with Titanosauria by the presence of diverse characters whose association is characteristic of this clade, and that have, in part, been already pointed out and illustrated by Powell in 1986. A. Episthocoelous dorsal vertebrae with relatively small, elliptic pleurocoels located in the middle and anterior sector of the vertebral body in a wide pleurocoelic depression of 8 oval form. More wide in the anterior sector than in the posterior. B. Presence of very clear angular fossae in the lateral face of the neural arch of the dorsal vertebrae. C. Neural spines of the anterior dorsals rather flat, wide transversely, and without vestiges of bifurcation. And D. Presence of large bony cells in the entirety of the spongy tissue of the dorsal and sacral vertebrae. Now, don't worry too much about all of the technical jargon in there. The point is, we do have reason to believe it belongs in Titanosauria. If you want to actually read the paper, I will put the link in the description of the video. Now, Argentinosaurus was found in the Huincal Formation, composed of green and yellow sandstones up to 820 feet or 250 meters thick. It is thought to represent a drainage system of a braided river. Plants known from this formation include hornworts, liverworts, ferns, club mosses, gymnosperms including gnetophytes like ephedra, and conifers, and angiosperms. Animals found in this formation include lungfish, gar, chelid turtles, squamates, sphenodonts, and various crocodilians. The formation also had many other dinosaurs, including Titanosaur chiconesaurus, Rabacosaurids Cathartosaurus and Lemmaesaurus, Carcharodontosaurid Mapusaurus, Abelisaurids Scorpiovenator, Ilokelsia and Tralcosaurus, Noasaurid Huincalosaurus, and Paravian Oviraptor, among others, that are still unnamed or unknown group. So, a fairly diverse environment that our Argentinosaurus came from. So hopefully you've learned a little bit more about this dinosaur, and I hope you tune in on Monday to learn all about the Diplodocid family in more detail, and I will fossilize you later.